In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a landing page in Aweber. Start by signing into your Aweber account and looking at the main navigation. Go to Pages and Forms, then choose Landing Pages. This is the area where you can build and manage landing pages that collect subscriber information and send it directly to your email list. Once you are on the Landing Pages screen, click Create a Landing Page. Aweber will ask you to begin with a template or a blank layout. If you want the fastest setup, choose a template that already matches your goal, like collecting signups or promoting an offer. If you prefer full control over the layout, choose the blank option and build from scratch. After your layout opens in the editor, use the drag and drop sidebar to add content blocks. You can drop in text to explain your offer, add images to support your message, or include a video if you want a more personal or detailed explanation. Keep your main message clear and focused, and make sure the most important information is visible without scrolling too far. Next, click on the Form block. This is where you connect the landing page to your email marketing system. Set the destination list, so new subscribers go to the correct list in your account. Then add tags if you want to organize contacts based on what they signed up for. Tags can be helpful later when you are sending targeted emails or automations. Now open Page Settings to edit the page path and URL. Choose a simple readable path that relates to the offer so the link is easy to recognize and share. After that, go to the Design section. Here you can adjust colors, fonts, and background images. Aim for strong contrast so your text is easy to read, and keep your styling consistent with your brand. When you are ready, click Preview to check both the mobile and desktop versions. Make sure spacing, images, and the form look good on smaller screens. Finally, click Save and Exit. Back on the landing page's dashboard, find your page and click Publish next to it to make it live. That covers everything you need to know.